Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is SHINee Onew and IU Fortune Harmony Analysis. SHINee Onew and IU's application for fortune analysis has been received. They had something in common, although the flow of energy was slightly different. They also had the energy to treat their spouse well. What kind of harmony does it make up there? Let's analyze it together. Onew is a big mountain in fortune. Large mountains have the characteristics of giving people confidence and being the center point everywhere. There are some letters that mean popularity in fortune, and he is affectionate because he has a coalition. IU is a candle in a fortune. Candles are thoughtful and warm-hearted. There are two letters that mean popularity. And she is a very affectionate person because she is in conflict with the union. And she is very sensitive. Onew looks weak, but there are letters on the right that help him, and the input energy is strongly supporting him. Input energy means thinking ability, academic capacity, and help from mother and seniors. So Onew is a person who has a lot of help around him and has excellent ability to learn on his own, learning on his own. This structure has a flow of energy, learning to art and leading to art and wealth. So it has a good fortune structure as an entertainer. The letters meaning art and wealth combine to strengthen the letters meaning wealth. Therefore, overall, it can be analyzed in the structure in which wealth activities that increase their value and input energy are confronted. This structure can be analyzed as an educational entrepreneurial structure by activities that raise their value based on knowledge and information acquisition. He is a person who has the characteristics of being nice and enduring when he meets a woman by combining energy with the letters that mean a woman. He is a man of great improvisation and creativity. The upper part of the fortune is the socially exposed part, and the lower part is mainly about personal life. Onew has input energy at the top, so it seems to be a gentle image, but he is a very free person internally. He has a very different personality from what he looks like. He always tries to improve himself based on learning. IU is also supported by the same letter as herself, and she is a person who always tries to live a wonderful life, an activity that raises her value because the letters meaning wealth are combined on both sides. Immediately, energy is flowing into the letters that mean honor and man. This structure is a person who always works hard based on her abilities and values people's reputation. However, the more famous she becomes, the more conflicting she is with a man, the more conflict she has. So it is recommended that she solves this problem through the principle of fortune, which is sometimes an alternative experience through acting. Their fortunes are different, but they have something in common: wealth, activities that raise their values, and the desire to be recognized more. The flow of energy that treats their spouse well is also good. I'd like to give them 85% of their fortune harmony score. I hope them develop more and be happy. Thank you. The meeting of two personalities is like the contact of two chemical substances. If there is any reaction, both are transformed. Carl Jung. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.